It's always fun when companies sign up for stuff on the internet or they do like Twitter promotions and things like that, and they're giving stuff out. I'm always curious to see what I get. Last time I did this, I got a VW koozie, which immediately spilled my half of Coke onto my laptop, almost on its own. So this time there was a promotion with Audi. If you sign up, they were just going to send you some stuff. So I just got the package in the mail. It took about 4 days from when I signed up, which was not bad. Free stuff. Who doesn't love it? So I thought I would open up and see, my look of disappointment or enrapturement at the same time. Because I don't know what I'm getting. It's like they said it was a flashlight and some other stuff. So, but this was from Audi and in conjunction with Clout.com. So, me being a Clout expert in cars, apparently I get car stuff. Packaging. So, word on the street was LED flashlight and others. Which, here's the flashlight. It is a Zippo flashlight, which is much better than kind of what I was thinking. It's actually really nice. Huh. So here's the flashlight. It's hard to see. You may not be able to see it. There's an Audi logo in there on the top, and then some batteries some batteries came with it. So a Zippo LED flashlight, not bad. Looks waterproof, etc. And the other thing is this. Oh, a travel mug. That's what they said it was going to be. So I'm always one for a good travel mug. Since I drink so much coffee. Also not bad. Truth in engineering. I know it's all backwards, but so it is. It is just a nice, thick ceramic mug with a rubber top to it. Or a ceramic glass, really. Not gonna lie, it's probably one of the better travel mugs I've seen, since A, it's gonna fit, and B, it's not constrained by a bunch of random mechanics and stuff like that. So very, very cool. That's the sound of bubble wrap and chairs. Let's see what we got here. This is the boring part of the video where I just unwrap batteries individually and take my sweet time. So, needless to say, the Audi stuff is much better than the VW stuff, for sure. Holy cow, that's awesome. All right, flashlight. Pretty nice and bright. And I just noticed this. There's this weird point on here. I don't really know what that is for. But you pull it off and there's a slicing device. I'm actually not I don't really know what that is. Oh, it's for it's a car safety device, so it's actually a seatbelt cutter and an emergency flashlight. And a yeah. And that's what it is. It's a window breaking tool. It's one of those snapping, like, break your window, cut your cut your seatbelt, use the flashlight. Pretty slick. All right, well, Clout and Audi, I dig the promotion. I think it's pretty cool. So, thanks.